Okay, everybody, this is John with Tech Reviews 919. No problems, just situations. I'm going to be bringing you a video today. Just something I've been playing with. As you guys who know me, I've been in the hospital for the last 19 days with some medical things, and everybody appreciate everybody's support. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and I've been playing with this. And it's basically going to be a video about I wanted to be able to do some of my Android stuff on my PC. More specifically, I wanted to use Droid Admin to manage my Droid Admin with my PC. So I asked around. I tried BlueStacks. I like BlueStacks, very cool, but the Droid Admin app was not working correctly on there. So I was recommended to try Nox. And I did get, after a little playing with it, I did get Nox to work. Basically going to show you how to do it, how I did it. I basically wanted to use it for Droid Admin, but there's a lot of things you can do. You basically just use it like a Android device on your Windows PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And it takes a little while to load up, so I'm going to pause it. Okay, we got it loaded up now. I'm going to go ahead and maximize it, full screen, and basically show you what I got here. It's that your Android operating system. You got the Google Play Store. You got Facebook's already pre-installed. You got a browser, ESX file. It's got like games, which I think it was made for so you can play games on there. You got your downloads, your file manager, gallery, your settings. Again, you can do all kinds of stuff on here. You can open up the Google Store. Of course, it pulls up all kinds of games. I don't know, did I accidentally click on something? But yeah, and you can actually go up here and search stuff. For you want pretty much anything. I guess it's good for testing stuff out on your PC. But my main objective was Droid Admin. I've already downloaded it. It took a few clicks here and there. I had to do some figuring out how to get it to work. I've already got one of my codes in here, and this particular one is for my light builds for like fire sticks and fire boxes. Click on it, it'll bring up all the files. For demonstration purposes, I will download. I already downloaded Terrarium TV on here. What I'll do is I'll close out of here, use the escape button to go back. And then yes, and then I'll close out that all together. Then what you got to basically do is you got to go up to your settings little icon up here and make sure it's rooted. I've already done it. I'll do it again. Click save. Remember, this has to be a root startup setup. So close that. And then we'll go over to this little screen icon, which is my computer. You can also hit Control F4 to bring it up. It'll bring up this menu. So you're going to go to other file and you're going to say open no player folder. It'll bring up this window. And it's going to bring you to the home screen in Explorer. and of course it's empty, but we're going to come over here and I'm going to find my folder, and I have it in the home. We'll go to home, and then you got the Droid Admin folder. Click on that, go to my downloads, and there's my terrarium. I accidentally opened that up. And you can left click and hold it, and you get a little check mark. You come down here and you're going to copy it. Then I'm going to come up here to this right here, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click paste. And it's going to paste it into that folder, which is basically the local folder. It's a shared folder. Then we're going to come back over or click Control F4 to this again, but this time we're going to hit Open PC folder. And there it is. There's the file. And then basically what I'll do, for my purposes, I'll copy it or cut it, and I'll go down to, where I want to go, my desktop, Fire Stick, and I'll paste it. I can write it, paste it, boom, there it is. So that's the purpose that I use this for. But I'm going to notice there's going to be a lot more purposes the more I learn to use this. I'll have to close that out, hit escape, go back. Yes, we go back to the main screen. Again, just like your regular Android devices. It's great. I like to work from my PC. Sometimes I don't have access to my boxes or whatever, so I'll use it for that. I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to be using this a whole lot more. Like I said, BlueStacks was actually pretty cool. I did like it. I just couldn't get the Droid Admin to work. And I'm sure there's a way of doing it because, like I said, when I used Nox, I had a little bit of trouble getting it to open as well. But the type of person I am, I'm going to figure it out. Like I said, no problems, just situations. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Everybody knows I'm still new to this. I ain't been able to do a whole lot of videos because I'm sick. I'm part of the Dream Stream team. Come check us out if you haven't already. Most of you watching this video probably already know me and are already a part of the team. Or members. You get a lot of information, have fun, come hang out with me, Dell, Bo, Real, Trooper, and everybody else. It's a lot of fun. We have shows Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Dell does his shows, and Bo does a show on Wednesday night after the roundtable, movie roundtable. You learn a lot from us. That's what we're here for. All I ask you to do is, I finally hit 100 subscribers. That's not a lot, but for me, if it wasn't for Dell and my team, I wouldn't even have that. So all I ask you to do is come to my channel, look me up at Tech Reviews 919.